Hello, this is Mr. Huff. This is about putting curtain wall doors in. So you might see these in storefronts. Sometimes on the inside of buildings, you'll see big glass doors going into shops. And like if you go to like the dollar store or something, or even here at the mall, when you walk in, it's a metal frame door and a glass wall. So we're going to learn how to put those in. So we have to add a curtain wall, and then we're going to load in the curtain wall doors. And then we're going to select a single pane in that curtain wall to make into a door. If it's pinned, we have to unpin it. Then we're going to put the door in. After we put the door in, we will probably also want to delete the bottom mullion. If it's pinned, we have to unpin that as well. All right, so let's go to our design. So if I go to ground floor, I've looked at my design and I decided I need a curtain wall right here. And then I'm going to put a door in that curtain wall. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to wall, and we're going to go choose a storefront wall. I'm going to look and see, right now it says 3.7. Let's make that 0. I want it 0 feet, no offset from the ground floor. And if I look at my design, all of my walls on the curtain walls on the first floor are going to go to 12 feet. That leaves us a couple of feet between the height of the window and the drop ceiling that they're going to put in. All right, so I should see ground floor unconnected up to 12 feet starting from 0. All right, I'm going to draw this wall. Let's put it right here just to make it interesting. It doesn't really matter. I'm just kind of doing this for the video. All right, so we're going to pick this. I want these arrows to be on the outside, and then press escape a couple of times. Now I'm going to say, I want to move this wall. I click on the wall. I click the move tool. I zoom in on the wall. I'm going to click its center line. I'm going to go to my wall straight above it, and I'm going to find any center line in here. I'll click like this one. That's going to be fine. Okay? And so it moved it into the wall. That's the easiest way to do those. And we're good to go. Now let's go look at our 3D view. So now I have a curtain wall here, and it's at ground floor. Remember, this is foundation. I want to put a door right here. Oh, before I can put a door, I have to go get the family. So we're going to, or go get the doors right there. So let's go to load family. So I went to insert, load family, and we're going to go to the folder called doors. And everything that says curtain wall, we're just going to highlight, and we're going to get those three. So we have a double glass door. We have a double storefront door, and we have a single door. And you can see the previews of these as you go through this. So you click open, and now we have, okay, now we have a way to go in and add the doors. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go to architecture, and we need to select one pane to turn into a door. So if we zoom in on this, I'm going to move my mouse around, and you see the outside of my curtain wall highlight. When that happens, we're going to click on it to select it. So I have it selected, and now I'm going to kind of put my arrow where I want it, and we're going to hit the tab key. Let's see, floating over that, hit the tab key until it picks just that window. Do you see I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see how the blue line appeared around that. We have to act fast, so we're going to try it again. Floating over this, when the whole thing is highlighted, I'm going to hit tab, and it's going to select a horizontal mullion. Then it selects a vertical, no, that's actually the curtain wall. So right now it has the window selected. I'm going to left click, and now I have that single window. You may have to, it may take you a couple of tries to get it, but it's highlight the wall, hit tab a few times, and then get it selected. If you see this pin, you have to unpin it. And when you do that, now you can click over here and go find your curtain walls, and we'll just click on each one. So you could make it a double door. You could make it a double glass door, or you could make it a single glass door. And 4 feet wide would be too wide, or however wide this is too wide for a single glass door. Yeah, it's a little over 4 feet wide, so we are going to use a double glass door. So I'm going to do a double one, and you can see now that we have that. So I'm going to click off of it, and now we can see that it right here at the bottom, the glass door is sitting on top of this mullion, and we don't need that. So we're going to unpin the mullion, and then delete it, okay? And now we have a double glass door going through our curtain wall, and that's how you do that.